Hello everyone, good morning to all. I am here to brand my product with a small story. My product is a blazer. A boy completed his college and he wanted to get a job in his dream company. And he was trained and grew his skills and passion to the job. And one day the company opened the hiring opportunities. Then he applied and he participated in the interviews when he completed the several rounds and he is selected for the final and HR round. When the HR round is conducted tomorrow, he will get ready and go for that round. At the time, the watchman stopped him and you are not looking professional and then you are not wearing a braces also. Watchman said, when he become nervous and feared, at that time one man came that place and he drew his braces. At that moment, the boy have a little confidence. With that confidence, that boy go and attend that interview. At that time, the HRs and other managers are impressed with his look and confidence. When he was selected in that round, and he returned his blazer to that man. That man said, "Blazer up, change speaks more than words."